Hey guys, ever wondered what it would feel like to control a computer with just your thoughts? Or maybe even send a text? No hand, no voice, just pure brain power. Sounds wild, right? Well, that's exactly what cutting edge tech like Neuralink N1 is working on. Hey, I am Sayan Ankur. Welcome to my channel. We are exploring the coolest idea shaping our future. Today we are dividing into brain computer interface or BCI and how Neuralinks N1 implant in turning science fiction into science fact. Ready to unlock the power of your mind? Let's get started. Friends, Neuralink N1 is one of the most talked about BCIs today. It's about the size of a coin and get implanted directly into the skull. Wires thinner than a human hair connected to its specific neuron, allowing it to read and send signal. The implant is designed to be minimally invasive, done by a robotic surgeon for precision. Once in place, it can interface with your brain neurons. Let's see how does it work. There are 100 billion neurons, and the neurons have three parts: dendrite, cell body, and action. The dendrite receive message from other nerve cell and propagate them to a neuron cell body, and the cell body receiving and processing in the informations which it get from the dendrites. And action is a long thin projection that enter into the action terminal which connect the dendrites of other neurons. In between these where Neuralink N1 fit for his job. The N1 chip picks up electric signal from your brain neurons. These signals are decoded and sent to a computer or smartphone. The result you can control device with your thoughts. The potential applications are mind-blowing. For helping paralyzed patients regain control over prosthetic limbs to improve communication for those with neurological disorders. BCI could revolutionize healthcare. Imagine playing games or typing email without lifting a finger through your brain power. Let's see that how a paralyzed people can control the computer through his brain and with the help of Neuralink. Concern. like who owns the data from your brain and what about hacking? These are serious questions we need to address as the technology advances. The future of brain computer interface or BCI technology hold the potential to revolutionize the medical field not only by assisting doctors and surgeons but eventually replace them in critical areas. It can also diagnose in real time and perform precise surgical procedure through robotic system and deliver personalized treatment directly to the brain. As this system learn and adapt, the need for human intervention in complex medical tasks may diminish and create a future where healthcare is automated and accurate and universally accessible.